Hello everyone, welcome back again. So in this program we will find out how to reverse the string. So basically there are two methods to find reverse the string. First one is the slicing, and a second one will be the we will iterate through by using the loop function. So firstly we'll check for the slicing. So let's take the string. See here we have reversed the string. This is the first method. And second method will be like we will take one empty string. After that we use the slicing, and this is the second method by using the empty string. So we have find out like reverse the string. So that's it from my side. Thank you very much.